This is the Jon Renau Peace Out Contour Fiber Cream. In order to use this, I would start by gently combing through your wig with the Jon Renau wide tooth comb. Then I would take a small amount of the contour cream. To really activate the cream, you want to warm it up on your fingers just a little bit. Then with longer wigs, it's really nice to pull the hairs together so they don't come through and tickle your face. If you ever have those pesky flyaway wig hairs and you don't know where they're coming from and they're stabbing you in the eyes, this is really great to secure those hairs, and then you can run it through, accentuate the little flips in the style of the wig. This cream is perfect for adding texture and volume when styling your wig. It can be used to tame flyaway hairs and prevent hairs from being affected by static and sticking up at the crown. It can also be used to protect the tips of hair on long wigs as it prevents friction. The Peace Out Contour Fiber Cream by Jon Renau is available to shop now at HairWeavon.com.